Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell.
Welcome back to your own technical channel OS Tech OS. Today we are going to discuss about a new launch of Raspberry Pi Zero. Raspberry Pi Zero 2 comes with most unique features which can help you to access some of its unique features like a 64-bit ARM Cortex processor. CPU is clocked on 1 GHz quad-core processor and which comes with the Broadcom SoC, so it may help you to use a 512 MB LPDDR2 SD RAM. For $15, it's a good idea for having as your primary PC. So the PC is expected to have a good launch event on 28th October, and this may come with more solutions to primary PC solutions for those who can't afford a power packed PC. By having this, a learner can use coding, and coding is the new era of technology, so we should go for this. In India, this may come with a price tag of $15, and the more and more upper variant will get more higher prices for this Raspberry Pi Zero 2. Thanks for being with us. Keep watching our videos, subscribe our channel, like this video and share, comment your valuable comments in comment box.